Hello everyone, today we are coming to you from downtown Hiroshima. As you can see, we are in Hiroshima, and for right now we're just going to walk, show you some of the highlights. Stick with me. That's next. Where are we going?
Pokemon Center.
All right, let's do this. Like Brutus.
Escalator. Thank you.
What floor is Pokemon on?
你好，感谢。
All right. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Into it. Oh, there it is. Pokemon Center. Oh yeah, all your Pokemon dreams come true. All right, let's see what we got. This is gonna make his day.
This here is you.
What?
I am you from the future.
Hey, do you work here?
What?
Do you work here?
No.
This is the look that I give whenever I'm woken up too early. She's on the horn going, there's too many damn kids here. Send back up, send back up. Too many kids. Send back up. Send the National Guard. Too many kids. Pokemon underwear. Pokemon slippers.
Can I get the game?
Pokemon games. And if you're a foodie here, there's a department store where the Pokemon Center is located, and a floor that's also just a wild array of Japanese box lunches you can grab and go. Let's take a look. And this right here is the bougie candy and the bougie craft stuff. So you're looking at a total of like maybe $6 US for a big box of treats you can send home. And there's also a market where you can get Kobe beef. Blue light special. So this is interesting. This is the Hachibori area. It says on the day of the atomic bombing, as in other areas, many people in this area of the city were engaged in building demolition in order to create fire breaks that could prevent the spread of fire from air raids. This large number of people became casualties of the bombing in an instant. Houses were collapsed and engulfed in a sea of fire. That's insane. Look at those pants. Wow. I think those pants are me. So we're kind of in the bougie shopping area of Hiroshima. Lots of cool things to see. There's the tag store. It's a lot of walking. Definitely a lot of walking. I don't know that I could pull that one off. The one thing you definitely have to do when you're in Hiroshima is watch out for bicycles, because in Okinawa, they don't allow you to ride the bicycles on the sidewalk. At least it's discouraged. Here, they ride on the sidewalks. You really have to watch yourself because they are zooming in and out. So stay on one side of the sidewalk because you don't want to end up getting hit by a bicycle. It hurts. Ask me how I know. This is really cool since there's not a lot of real estate. You can come get gas or diesel and it's all hanging up, and they just bring down the hook. They put it in there and they take care of your car. So for those of you that live in Japan, or those of you that have been in Japan a long time watching this video, let me know what that is in the comments. I see those around a lot. It's the lotto and the numbers. It looks to me like it's a lottery station. I don't know. I thought gambling was illegal in Japan. So drop it a link in the comments or a comment below. Let me know whether it is illegal or what that is. If you're feeling adventurous, you can always go to Club Wimps. So you can see the wimps there. I'm not sure what they are. Maybe in the red light district, I'm not sure. I thought it said disco coffee, but it says Dusko coffee. And they love craft beer. Yeah, I've never seen so many massage parlors on one block, so I'm gonna guess that we're in the red light district walking through here. Anyway, it's a really fun city to walk through. Remember guys, Hiroshima and Japan in a whole is very safe. One of the safest countries. Actually, it is #1 safest country in the world. So if you come out here now that it is open, take advantage and visit Hiroshima. Visit everything that Japan has to offer. Definitely come to Okinawa. If you're ever in Japan and you want a donut, Mr. Donut is the place to go. They have so many cool donuts. That's very evil. It's gonna get me fat again. Did you have fun today?
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, cool.
Except for the stairs.
Except for the stairs. That's a beautiful hotel at night. The ballroom on the top floor is lit up and you can see inside. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you next video. Remember, if you know anybody in the military, active duty, or spouse, give them a hug or a handshake because you can now. And I'll see you next video.